earn $10 in 15 minutes over and over again. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you an easy way to make money online. I'm going to show you actually how you can earn $10 in 15 minutes or less, and you can do this again and again. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, make sure you watch the whole video, pay attention. So I'm going to share with you actually 2 sites that you can go sign up for free and earn $10 in 15 minutes or less. Make sure you stick till the end, as I said earlier here, to find out all the details. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can earn $10 in 15 minutes or less. Let's get started. Alright, first off, we are going to a site which is userfeel.com, and you can see here quick and easy user testing. So this is about testing, and I'm going to explain the details here so you can find out and see how easy this is. Okay, Userfeel is a usability testing tool that gives you videos of real users speaking their thoughts as they use your website or app. So how it works is that big companies like TripAdvisor, you can see here, 99 Designs, Tesco and so on, they come to this site and they want to test a new app or a website, or if they redesigned a new website, they want to see if there is any bugs on the apps or on the site there, if something is not working, if they can't find something on the website. And that is exactly what you do. You test the site and you speak your thoughts loud actually while you record the video there, a screen just like I do right now here. Super easy to do. So let's have a closer look at what interests us, and that is to become a tester. So become a tester, we can see here tester frequently asked questions. Become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your computer or smartphone. Read the following instructions and watch the example video to understand what our customer are looking for from a tester. So basically I'm going to play it a little bit. I'm not going to play the whole video for you, so you can get an idea on how it works to become a tester here.
So I'm on this website here, BSB. It's asking me to select my country and language, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. The first thing I'm noticing is this sale up to 50% off, so that's going to be the first place that I look. That's always something very eye-catching to me when the website mentions a sale right off the bat. That's usually where I look first for things.
Okay, so I hope you could realize very quickly here how easy this is. She actually got instructions to go to the BSB site and of course speak her thoughts out loud on how easy it was to find or the prices there and so on. So you get clear instructions on how to do this actually. So if I have a look at here at the rest of the details, what do usability testers do? They conduct usability tests on website. Their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks, like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process. Now this helps site owners find and fix usability issues. Do testers need to buy products? Of course not, because otherwise we would spend money actually instead of earning. So you may be asked to go through the checkout process of online stores, but most of the time the scenarios will ask you to stop before clicking at the final submit button. Okay, so you should definitely not enter your real credit card while performing a test there. So what equipment do I need? You can see here, in order to test websites and get paid $10 per test, you need to have a Windows or Mac computer. Okay, Okay, your computer also needs to have a microphone, either internal like most laptops have, or external. So you can see here the cheapest one, actually you can find something for around $2. It will work for you. Should I use my real name? No, you should use fake details. And in what language you should speak? Basically, I'm going to scroll down a little bit here. You can have a look at the details for yourself, actually. So you can see that they tell, for example, that what they don't want the tester to do, what they need the tester to do, how to get paid. You get paid actually $10 after the approval, about 1 week after the test, via PayPal or Amazon gift cards here. So you can set your preferred form of payment in your profile. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can open one, of course, at PayPal. And here they do explain of why, for some reason, if you don't getting paid. But as I said, have a closer look at the details here for yourself. Actually, you can read everything through before you sign up. You go ahead and sign up with the details there. You will need to do a test, of course, to see if you qualify, and then when you get approved, you can get started to test and earn $10 here. Alright, let's move on to the second opportunity, which is actually pretty similar, and that is Analysia.com. Analysia.com, you can see here the user experience, test your website's performance by real users, watch videos of real users to see why they're leaving your site. So this is targeted, of course, for the companies that come here, and you can see here you register if you're a company, of course, and you're interested. Low price and easy to use and so on, but let's scroll down to the bottom here, and we are interested in becoming a tester here also. So we want your opinion, get paid surfing website while telling us what you think. So you get $10 for 10 to 15 minutes. Here is a FAQ. You will be asked to read some instructions and complete tasks on a website. This session will be recorded, your screen and audio will be saved. It typically takes about 15 minutes, so it is pretty similar as the previous site that we had a look at earlier here. Who qualify for this test? Anybody with an internet connection and a microphone. They accept a good variety of users from many locations and, of course, many different profiles. So this, I consider this to be a worldwide opportunity also. Now, how long does a test take? It takes about 15 minutes. How much you get paid is you get paid $10 for each test. So how do you pay me? They send you payment via PayPal. How do I get contacted? You will get an email from us when we need you to complete a task. And how many tests can I do? So this opportunity is very popular, getting paid $10 for just a few minutes. Many testers want that, and statistically they are less customers than testers. So you cannot expect to do a test per day. It will depend about your profile, as some company needs specific tester profile, but being on the target profile, you can be invited to do a few tests per month. Okay, so you can quickly realize here that this is definitely something that you won't get rich on. Even if you sign up to a few of these sites, it's definitely just a good way to make some extra money. Making extra money, you can do this from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection, of course, and a microphone, which you probably have in your laptop there. So, as I said, a great way to make an extra income, even from home or wherever you are, with these opportunities by becoming a tester. It's super easy to do. You saw it here. You just sign up, you fill in the details there, and when you're qualified, you get started to record your screen by showing, and you get clear instructions actually on what to do. So, I mean, this is super easy stuff to do there. So, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a closer look at. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. and you find an end screen here with another Make Money Online video recommendation that you can have a closer look at. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.